Now, I want to raise a supplementary question on the usage of FLOCA money, the money that is used to financing locally led climate action. Waziri, you have mentioned to us that the government, through your ministry, has put in place governance structures to ensure that this money is utilized and used for the intended purposes. I interpret that to mean that you will assist the Senate to ensure that that money does not find its way to the pockets of those tasked with implementation. And I want to disclose that my county of Nyamira is one of the recipients of this money, and we received 55 million shillings. Now, Waziri, I want to raise a question that touches on governance, accountability, proper utilization of the FLOCA money. We had a project that was initiated called Raitigo Water Supply during the financial year 2015-2016. The county budgeted 17,301,915. The project was done. The money was paid to the contractor. I have details of the contractor who did the work. Auditor General raised issues on that project having been used to siphon money from the county. There being no value for money because the project was not completed and launched for the benefit of the people who reside in the Raitigo area. Now, in response to that audit query, the governor responded that he wants to use money from Climate Change Resilience Investment Fund to complete the project. Madam CS, how do you ensure that the money we are sending to counties is not used as a way of, as an avenue for governors stealing money that is meant for a very good purpose on climate change? Because I don't understand, Madam CS, how money that has been set aside for a project through county funds paid out to a contractor. Again, how do you use donor funds to repeat the same project? Can you address us on how you are following up on governance, the proper usage and utilization of money? And if you can also take the example I've given you for Nyamira. If you want the response to the governor, I have it. I can table it before the floor. That can assist you so that we ensure that this money does not go to the pockets of a few individuals. Somebody was saying that some governors set aside a percentage. If you send 55, for example, to Nyamira, some say that 20 million should go to their pockets and then 35 can do something. And we really want this money to be used for the benefit of the people of the counties where we reside. Thank you.